so much pre-fire. Every angle I push for is pre-fire. Look at them all, bro. Waiting for me. Look at the way they're playing, bro, because they know I'm streaking up. Get out of the fucking lobby, bro. Imagine stream sniping me and getting nuked, bro. Imagine. Yeah, look, they all left the game, bro. Fucking stream snipers, bro. Imagine that, bro. Imagine they're all stream sniping me, bro, and you still get nuked. Imagine, delete the game, you're dog shit.